Hi again. So on this device, this is the KioscTouch running on my iPad. Okay, so here what you need to do is when you have your iPad in the same network as your like if you have the KioscTouch in the same network as the computer that is running the kiosk editor, you will be able to go press, for example, the remote button. Okay, in the remote button there will be a IP address of the computer running kiosk editor. You click on this, like whatever the address will be, and on the right hand side you have to click on the top side. You will find the link button. You can see link icon. Okay, you select the device and then you click the link icon on the right, here on the top right side, and then it will when you press onto this cog, the left top button, the like a gearbox button, your KioscTouch interface will come up on the screen. Okay, so this way you will synchronize your kiosk editor with your KioscTouch, and then what you do is you go after that to the file menu, and here you click on the right hand side to the save button. You can see as a disk button. You click on this, it will save that interface button on the top of inside of your device. And the last thing here, what you need to do is you need to go to the OSC window. Okay, at the bottom it says add target, so you click on add target, this button. When you click on add target, it will show you need to enter the IP address of your Q Core 3. So you will type, for example, 192.168.1. I don't know, 100, and then you have to put colon, so it's 2 dots, and you have to put 8000. This is the OSC port as you've seen inside of the Q Core 3 in the settings. Okay, so this is the first part is the IP address of the Q Core, and then you put ... the 2 vertical dots, colon, and then you type 8000 because this is the input port for the OSC commands, and then you press OK. As soon as you did it, so the target will appear here on the screen, as you can see here, this one. Okay, and that means after that you can go back to the main screen with your KioscTouch, and from here you will be able to send commands and it should work automatically. I mean, you do have the video now from the visual productions, but this is just a quick explanation to you how it works. Hope it was useful.